Today we can see about how can we perform matrix operation in MATLAB. So first define the matrix function. For understanding purpose I utilize 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. How can I represent 3 cross 3 matrix with MATLAB? Let's see. Here A is the variable. A is equal to, here I want to assign the matrix with the square bracket, with the opening of square bracket. In that I can represent what are all the values that are available with the first row. I consider 1, 2 and 3 are the first row value. After completing the first row I should mention semicolon symbol. After that I can mention the second row values, which are 4, 5 and 6. After completing the second row also I can utilize the semicolon symbol for completing the second row. After that, in third row I utilize 7, 8 and 9. After completing this also I may utilize the semicolon symbol for completing the third row. After completing 3 rows with the 3 columns I can utilize the square bracket for completing the operation. In that I can get 3 cross 3 matrix as like what I mentioned with my command prompt, which is A is equal to 1 2 3 semicolon 4 5 6 semicolon 7 8 9 semicolon. Likewise I may give the command prompt and I can get A is equal to 3 cross 3 as like this form. After that, how can I represent the mathematical operators? The mathematical operators are plus, addition, minus, subtraction, cross, multiplication and division. How can I utilize? For the reason I may develop another variable. The another variable is b. B is equal to, here I mentioned as like the same, but I can give another number also. Here I utilize for understanding purpose 10, 11, 12 is the first row for B matrix. After that 13, 14, 15, which are the second row that is available with the B matrix, and then third row 16, 17 and then 18, which is the third row that is available with the B matrix. Likewise I can give the B matrix value. In that I can get B value is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Likewise I may get the 3 cross 3 matrix from MATLAB command window. After that, how can I use the mathematical operators? The first mathematical operator is addition, so that I can utilize here the C variable for getting the addition. A plus B, then I can easily get the values. Here you see 1 plus 10 is equal to 11, 2 plus 11 is equal to 13, 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Likewise I may get the addition values, and then I can subtract also. D is equal to A minus B. Here I can get the subtraction value. 1 minus 10 I can get minus 9, 2 minus 11 I can get minus 9. Likewise I may utilize the subtraction equation with the MATLAB command window. After that, how can we utilize the multiplication operator? C. Here I utilize E variable for multiplication. E is equal to A, the star symbol, cross symbol, after that B. From this I can get A cross B. Okay, after that, what is the operator I can utilize for division? Yes, F is equal to, for division purpose only we may utilize dot symbol before the division symbol. So A dot division B. Here I can get the values of A divided by B. Likewise we may utilize the mathematical operators for a matrix function in a MATLAB command window. After that, how can I interchange? How can I select the particular values from available 3 cross 3 matrix for considering A matrix? How can, in A matrix there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 values are available. Here, how can I choose 4, 5 and 7, 8 as a submatrix from the preliminary matrix? Let's see. How can I get? Yes, here I may utilize G as the variable for getting the submatrix from the preliminary matrix. Here you see in A matrix the second row has 4 5 and the third row also has 7 8 9. From this how can I choose? Yes, here G is equal to open bracket, after that square bracket. Here I want to choose 4 5 and 7 8. 4 5 where is available second row and 7 8 is available with the third row, so that I mention first 2 and 3. Okay, after that the completion of square bracket, after that comma symbol. What are all the values I needed from the column? First column and second columns are having 4 7 from first column and 5 8 values from second column, so that I can utilize here the square bracket, after that first column and the second column. Likewise I can enter, after that close the bracket. From this I can get the values. Here I didn't mention the A matrix variable, so that it shows the error value. So every line I should mention the matrix value. G is equal to A of square bracket, the same concept, 2 3, then square bracket comma, again square bracket 1 2. Now I can get the exact value. Yes, 4 5 7 8. So that we should enter the matrix value also. From A matrix only I can collect the submatrix as like this. If I needed to select the values submatrix from B matrix also, means here I may utilize the variable H is equal to B matrix, so that I utilize here B. The same thing, B, open the square bracket, I may place the second row and the third row. For the reason here I place that comma, here open bracket 1 2, after that close the thing. From 13 14 16 17, here you see the in B matrix 13 14 is second row and 16 17 in third row, and first column 13 16 available, 14 17 available. From this I can get 13 14 and 16 17 from the available B matrix also. Likewise we can select the submatrix. After that how can we interchange the matrix values? Let's see. Okay, here utilize I symbol, I variable is equal to A of 2 square bracket 2 1 2 comma 1 comma 3 square bracket, after that comma, here I enter the colon variable, that enter. Here I may interchange the variables. Okay, here you see the second row is changed to first and first row is interchanged with the second row. Likewise we may interchange the row and column available with the available matrix form. The interchange and submatrix also possible with our basic matrix calculation. Okay, now you may aware about how can we perform the basic matrix operations in MATLAB, and how can we interchange the row values, and how can we call the submatrix values from the available matrix. Likewise you understand. Okay, now if you are having any doubts you may ask me through comment box. Thank you all.